morning children. So in the previous class we have learned about the fourth lesson, weather and the climate. What is the weather? The condition of air pressure, wind, clouds, rain. So at a particular place and a particular time. So the weather may change today. Today it may be the cool or tomorrow it may be the hot. So from 2 days you are observing the weather, the climate. So it is very cool and rainy. So yesterday it was raining, but today it is not raining. It is very cool. So this is the weather. This is the weather. The change of weather. So today the particular time and the weather changes at a particular place and a particular time. The weather changes at a particular place. Weather changes at a particular place. And time. So yesterday it was rainy and cool. And today it is very cool. So the sun is hidden at the clouds. So that weather changes from today to tomorrow. So this is a climate. The heat of the sun heat varies the season. The sun heat varies the season. So what are the seasons? There are 3 types of season in our country: monsoon, winter and summer. So in the monsoon, so according to the season our lifestyle also depends. So according to the changes of season, the lifestyle is also changed. The lifestyle is also depend. So the food we eat, the dress we wear, and the houses we live. Mostly the rainfall area, the people they constructed the sloping roofs are built at the high rainfall areas. So depending on the seasons, the lifestyles of people also changes. The food we eat, the dress we wear, and the crops also. The crops we grow. Seasonally the crops also change. Next, in the monsoon we like to eat the hot food and we wear the raincoats and the gumboots. In winter we like to eat and drink the hot drinks and we wear the woolen clothes. Mostly we like to wear the woolen clothes. Next, in the summer we like to drink cool drinks and we like to wear the cotton clothes. So in summer we wear the light colored clothes. So the heat of the earth varies the climate. It changes into climate. So the area which is near to the equator, there are 7 different types of climate throughout the world. So the climate it depends upon the heat of the sun on the earth. Distance from the equator. So the earth gets, which part of the earth gets more heat? So due to the heat, the climates are changed. Depending on the heat of the earth, the climates are changed. So mostly we get the heat from the sun. This is a globe and this is the imaginary line, equator. What is it? Equator. Distance from the equator. So this is the sun. So the sun rays which fall straight at small area. The sun rays that falls straightly at small area on the equator. So this part of the equator is very hot. The sun rays which fall straightly at short area is known as it is very hot region. It is known as a hot region. So directly the sun rays falls on the equator. Directly the sun rays falls at the equator. So it is known as a hot region. It is known as the hot region. Whereas the slanting lines like this. The slanting lines formed on the altitudes. The slanting lines forms on the low surface area. Altitudes. They are known as the altitudes. Altitudes, the low surface area. So they are very cool. They are very cool. Even in the summer, these places are very cool. These places are very cool. So depending on the heat of the earth's surface, the climates are depend. So this high above the sea level, hill stations such as Ninatalin, next Shimla are the cool places. They are very cool even in the summer. So the Himalayan peaks are covered by snow throughout the year. Why they are covered by snow? The sun rays, they do not fall straightly. So at the altitudes, the sun rays fall slanting lines. The slanting rays. So these places are very cool. What are the places? Ninatal, Shimla, Cochin. So these are very cool places. These are known as the altitude. The low surface areas are known as the altitude. What is that? Altitude with snow. Himalayas are covered with snow and ice even during the summer. This snows that place located at the higher altitude and the lower altitude. So this is at the higher altitude and this is at the lower altitude. Okay, now children. So next, difference from the sea level. So tomorrow I will discuss about the difference from the sea level. Difference from the sea level. So difference from the equator region, it is very hot region. The places which lies at the equator region, they are very hot region. Hot and dry climate is present. The places which are near at altitude, the slanting rays are fall at the altitude. So the higher region and the lower regions. So the slanting rays are fall on the higher and the lower region. So they are very cool. So these places are very cool. They are covered by the snow. The peaks are covered by the snow. So these are the cool places throughout the year. In the summer also, they feel very cool. Ninatal, Shimla are the places. They are covered by mountains. Okay, now children. So tomorrow I will discuss about the distance from the sea level. Read 4th lesson. Okay, now children. Once again, revise the lesson by reading your textbook. So, okay, thank you.